10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Tapalya. No good. Rebound by Punelas. Official score 58-51 in favor of Patriots. 15 seconds to shoot. Punelas, 3 points. 2 minutes and 25 seconds left.
58-54. 4-point lead by Patriots.
There's a foul committed by number 24, Villafranca. Villafranca, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 16 seconds left. 5 seconds violation by Tapalya. Second shot, no good. Patriots ball. 13 seconds to shoot.
Score natin 58-54. 4 points ang hinahabol ng Troopers.
Intercept by Punelas. Basket by Santiago. Inbound by Mamawag.
58-56, 2 points ang hinahabol ng Troopers.
Last 2 minutes. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Nakakuha ng foul. Committed by number 9, Yanto. Yanto first personal foul, penalty. Substitution rep, Dalisan out, Salvador in. Mamawag out, Dinglasan in. 2 charity shots given to Bautista. Time remaining 1 minute and 53 seconds left. Official score 58-56. First shot by Bautista, no good.
$58-56.
Second shot, no good again.
2 points na hinahabol ng Troopers. Punelas carrying the ball.
Intercept by Del Rosario. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Salvador. 1 minute and 23 seconds left. Basket by Yanto. Official score all 58.
All 58.
Foul committed by number 9, Yanto. Penalty rep. Yanto, second personal foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds left. First shot by Dinglasan, basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Villafranca. No good. Rebound by Yanto. Basket by Yanto.
Change favor.
Seconds, injury timeout. Official score 60-59 in favor of Troopers. Time remaining 57 seconds
Change
left.
favor. 60-59. 1 point lead by Troopers.
60-59. 59 seconds.